When it comes to headphones, we all want one thing: great sound, comfort, and freedom. And the Hoco W35 Air Max wireless headphones deliver all three in a design that's stylish, affordable, and built for real, everyday use. These headphones are not just about listening to music, they're about enjoying it. Whether you're working, traveling, studying, or just relaxing, the W35 Air Max makes sure your world sounds better, clearer, and more alive. Let's start with what you notice first: the design. The Hoco W35 Air Max has a clean, minimalist look that feels both modern and premium. The large, soft ear cushions are made from high-quality protein leather, which means they're soft to the touch and comfortable for long listening sessions. They fully cover your ears, blocking out background noise naturally without pressure or fatigue. The adjustable headband is reinforced and flexible, ensuring a perfect fit for any head size. You can wear them for hours, on flights, at work, or during workouts, and they stay light, stable, and comfortable. Now, let's talk about sound quality, because that's where the W35 Air Max truly shines. Inside, these headphones feature 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver deep, balanced sound with clear highs and punchy bass. Whether you're listening to hip-hop, classical, podcasts, or gaming audio, every detail comes through with precision and warmth. The soundstage is wide and immersive. You don't just hear the music, you feel it. The bass hits hard but stays clean, vocals sound natural, and instruments are crisp and well-separated. It's the kind of sound that makes you close your eyes and just enjoy the moment. The Bluetooth 5.3 connection ensures a stable, fast, and low-latency link to your device. No interruptions, no drops, just pure, continuous sound. You can pair the W35 Air Max with your phone, laptop, tablet, or TV in seconds. And if you prefer the old-school way, there's also a 3.5mm AUX cable included, so you can switch to wired mode anytime you want. No battery worries, just plug and play. Speaking of battery, let's talk about that. The Hoco W35 Air Max is built to last, offering up to 40 hours of playback time on a single charge. That's nearly 2 full days of music, podcasts, or calls without plugging in. And when you do need to recharge, it only takes about 2 hours via USB-C to get back to 100%. For most people, that means you can listen all week long on a single charge. Perfect for long trips, study sessions, or daily commutes. Now, let's look at controls and usability, because Hoco kept things simple and intuitive. On the side of the ear cup, you'll find all your essential controls: play, pause, volume adjustment, track skip, and power. There's also a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, and the sound quality during calls is clear and noise-free, thanks to the integrated noise reduction mic design. It's ideal for online meetings, phone calls, or gaming chats. Your voice comes through clearly, even in noisy environments. Another strong feature of the W35 Air Max is its multifunctionality. You can use them wirelessly via Bluetooth, wired through AUX, or even with a microSD card, thanks to the built-in MP3 player mode. That means you can listen to music directly from a memory card without connecting to a phone or computer. It's perfect for workouts, outdoor walks, or when you just want to disconnect from everything else. Let's talk about the build quality, because this is where Hoco has improved significantly over its earlier models. The W35 Air Max feels solid and durable. The ear cups swivel slightly to fit the natural shape of your head, and the materials feel premium. No creaks, no cheap plastic sound. T's designed to handle everyday use, tossing into a backpack, wearing during travel, or taking to the gym. Everything feels engineered for real life, not just for show. Now, let's go deeper into sound performance. The Hoco W35 Air Max uses a fine-tuned audio profile optimized for clarity and bass response. It supports hi-fi sound reproduction, so you get full-frequency audio, deep bass, rich mids, and smooth highs. When you turn up the volume, the sound remains balanced, without distortion. Movies sound cinematic, with clear dialogue and dynamic range. Games feel immersive, with accurate directionality and depth. And music, from jazz to electronic, just feels alive. Let's look at some technical highlights. Driver size, 40mm dynamic. Bluetooth version, 5.3. Battery life, up to 40 hours. Charging time, 2 hours via USB-C. Modes, Bluetooth/AUX/MicroSD. Microphone, built-in for calls. Playback controls, integrated on ear cup. Weight, lightweight, about 250 grams. Range, up to 10 meters, 33 feet. That's everything you need for daily listening, no compromises. Now, let's talk about real-world use. Whether you're commuting to work, studying, gaming, or just relaxing, these headphones adapt to your lifestyle. They're quiet enough for focused work, powerful enough for workouts, and comfortable enough for hours of entertainment. You can take them on flights, use them at the office, or wear them while editing videos. They fit every scenario. And because they fold flat, they're easy to store or pack in your bag. In daily use, you'll notice how effortless it feels. No tangled cables, no signal drops, and no ear fatigue. It's the kind of product that becomes part of your routine. Let's summarize the key strengths of the Hoco W35 Air Max. White heavy checkmark sound. Deep bass, crisp highs, clear mids. White heavy checkmark comfort. Soft ear cushions and adjustable headband. White heavy checkmark battery. Up to 40 hours of playback. White heavy checkmark connectivity. Bluetooth 5.3 plus AUX plus MicroSD. White heavy checkmark calls. Clear voice quality with noise reduction mic. White heavy checkmark design. Modern, sleek, and lightweight. White heavy checkmark build. Solid construction for daily use. And what about the downsides? Well, there aren't many, but to be fair. Warning, they don't have active noise cancellation, ANC. Warning, they're not water resistant. For this price range, though, those are small trade-offs for what you get in comfort and sound quality. At the end of the day, the Hoco W35 Air Max is an easy recommendation for anyone looking for an affordable pair of wireless headphones that actually deliver great performance. They combine modern design, excellent sound, long battery life, and comfort, all without breaking the bank. It's proof that good audio doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to be well designed. So, if you're looking for headphones that can do it all, music, calls, movies, or podcasts, the Hoco W35 Air Max might just be the perfect fit. Wireless freedom, powerful sound, all-day comfort. That's the Hoco W35 Air Max, made for the way you listen today.